if you're overly sensitive, overly sympathetic, overly empathetic, and well, you care too much, you may just not be able to make it in the world, materially speaking. So, if every third person's Villa comments affect you so much that you get rattled and you're not unable, or rather you are unable to complete the task, or you are unable to move ahead in life, काम तो नहीं कर पाएंगे जिंदगी में, क्योंकि सारा टाइम सिर्फ रो रहे होंगे, and you must be, you will be trying to seek out therapy. And in the material world, there's a lot of competition within your job working environment. There is a lot of competition in the business world. There is a lot of competition, and it's an ugly, ugly world. And people are far more evil than you can even comprehend or fathom, perhaps. Therefore, if you are overly sensitive, it is rest assured that you will have a hell of a time being very overly materially successful. That does not mean that you convert yourself into a douchebag and try to dominate others or try to be less sympathetic or empathetic. Please use this as a strength. Know that God has designed you like this. Use this as a strength and know that you get affected. Put up a firewall all around you. That does not mean that you light a fire, of course, but put up a firewall in which the world is not affecting you. You let their opinions be theirs, you let their life's problems be theirs. पूरी दुनिया का ठेका आपने नहीं ले रखा है, and you care about, I'm not saying be completely selfish and ignore the world, but you firstly care about yourself, and then figure out what brings you peace and do that. Withdraw from the world from time to time to recharge, because that is especially necessary for a person such as you. And perhaps if everything at the as a last resort, try to find the profession that suits you best if you truly get affected, because I see a lot many people trying to fight with their nature and well get into ultra depressions because they're overly sensitive. And it's an ugly, ugly world. It's truly, it's people will go down to the depths of hell to perhaps to affect you, and if they figure out that you are getting affected, guess what, the attacks multiply tenfold. So work with yourself and find out the most unique solution that suits yourself. Know that this is like this, it's not going to change. Put on a helmet to protect yourself so that you are not affected that much. Wishing you all the very best. See you when I see you, and more power to you if you are the softer, the sensitive, the empathetic kind.